How to log in JM Mutual Fund account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for JM Mutual Fund account login and tap on the login option you see there in the interface that you will be led to. You will then be led to the login portal of JM Mutual Fund. Go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is, your user ID or email ID, and further enter a password associated with JM Mutual Fund and tap on the Sign In button. You will now be logged in to JM Mutual Fund account if you entered the correct login credentials. And just in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option and recover your password and log in further. You can also tap on the Sign In using PAN number option and sign in using your PAN number. So, this is how you can log in to JM Mutual Fund account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.